Okay, we'll take a look at the Google Mail Admin tool. Um, this tool is at mailadmin.sil.org. And you log in with your Insight credentials. And you'll go to account management, and that gives you the ability to create and edit accounts. On this homepage, you can find a Google account, you can create a Google account, or you can look at history. So anytime you make changes to an account, that change is logged, and you can take a look at the history for an account. We're just going to take a look at creating a Google account. And we'll enter a first name and last name and pick a domain. And notice it says the account you're trying to create already exists. And when you look over here, we see that this account is not found in Insight, but it is found in the mail routing directory. It's not found in Google. So this is what we typically find when we're creating a Google account for a person who already has a Jarmail account. So this person, Jane User, has a Jarmail account. And so the information that is there in the mail routing directory is filled out for us. And we'll say that she is a supported member. And we're going to put a password on this account. When you're creating Google accounts for folks who already have a Jarmail password, typically you're going to use the same password as what they had on their Jarmail account, assuming that what they have on their Jarmail account is a good, strong password, and that's up to you, the mail administrator. Not that's up to you, the mail. It's up to you, the mail administrator, to determine. Some people, the requirement is that it's at least 8 characters and contains both letters and numbers. Some folks who have part of their account name as their password, you might just determine that's not a good password. So for this one, we're going to make her a if the individual had a secret question and answer filled out on their Jarmail account, this would have been pulled into this database. She didn't, so we're going to and then we can include or not include in the global address list. This account is currently routed to Jarmail, and we don't want to change it at this time. But we do want to go ahead and send her these email instructions, and you can also copy an additional person. We'll go ahead and create that Google account. And then notice once the account has been created, then I can go ahead and reset this password if I needed to. I can change the email address, or I can suspend the account. And I can also add notes to this account if I'm doing something interesting or different, or something that I either myself or another mail admin might want to know about. Then I would go ahead and add that note. So that's the Google Mail Admin tool used to create Google accounts and rename them if we need to, change the email address, resets the password, or suspend the account.